How to add Arabic text in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Arabic text in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on New Project and choose the video that you want to work with. For this video, I'm going to select this one. And now here, once it's loaded, just tap add, and once you have added the video to the timeline, just tap on the text option at the bottom and then choose add text. Now here is the important part. To get Arabic text, simply open the Google or any web browser, and once you have opened it, simply search for English to Arabic translation. And here, once you are on the translation page, simply type in your English phrases. For example, hello buddy, and you will see the Arabic translation appearing instantly. And now here, simply go ahead and copy that Arabic text and switch back to the CapCut. And here, simply paste the Arabic text in the text box, and that's it. Now, from here, you can customize it however you like. You can tap on style, you can change it font, style, effects, animation, and once you're done with everything, you can simply export it. And there you have it. That's how you can add Arabic text in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.